Hello everyone, this is Trooper from the Village Story. So today I have taken up a place that has been showing up on my Instagram feeds lately. People are referring it as the mini Zuko Valley of Meghalaya. It is the Markham Valley. It's located about 200 kilometers from here. It will take about 5 hours. So without wasting any time, let's start our journey. This is the Village Story and let's ride. So today I am going with a friend of mine. He is waiting in Khanapara, so let's go. In Khanapara, we are already a bit late today. I'm always late a bit, but let's start. Let's waste no time. Let's go straight. It's the middle of the monsoon season and I have seen the forecast. It will rain all day, but still we are riding because this experience will be something else. Now this is a turn that everyone knows, isn't it? Yes, this is the Umiam Lake Bridge. Right now the weather is holding up. It's good for us because we have not put on our raincoats till now. I have always loved Meghalaya. The mountains, the vibe, it's just so peaceful. और सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि गुवाहाटी से बहुत ज़्यादा पास है, so we can come here anytime we want. And here comes the rain. We have just reached Upper Shillong. The roads have started to get worse because of the construction. It used to be such a beautiful place. Hope it ends soon. So we have reached the point where we have to make a decision. So the left side is Cherrapunji and on the right, straight, it's Longstone Road. So we are taking the Longstone Road. The rain is getting heavier and heavier. We need a place to stop so that we can get into our raincoats, but unfortunately we are not getting any place here. So finally, after many kilometers, we found this place called Seven Triad. We can get into our raincoats here and eat something as well, as we didn't have our breakfast. So let's see what we get here.
বাহিৰত ভালেখিনি বৰষুণ দি আছে আমি ৰেইনকোট পিন্ধিবলৈ জেগা বিচাৰি পোৱা নাছিলোঁ লাষ্ট এখন 7 টায়াৰ বুলি জেগা এটা ঢুকিছোঁ একজেক্টলি কি জেগা হয় নাজানো কিন্তু ইয়াতে আকৌ এটা বেলেগ কথা আছে ইয়াতে খাবলৈ বেলেগ একো নাই ইয়াতে অকল ভাত আৰু মাংস পায় আমি এতিয়াই অসমতে ভাত আৰু মাংস অকণ খাই লৈছোঁ যাতে আগত পাওঁ নাপাওঁ নাজানো Stay tuned.
Guys, we knew the rain wouldn't stop, but we didn't come here for clear skies. We came to feel the monsoon. I really wanted you guys to feel what I felt through my lenses. Really wanted to give you a first-person experience, not just a video but a feeling, like you are the one riding through the monsoon.
starting Makham. I don't know it's not name of the bridge or something, but we have, I think, 40 minutes left for Markham Valley. So stay tuned. And the weather is amazing.
Had to keep our bikes. Below goes a road. It's very slippery because of the rain. No vehicles were allowed after the entrance of the point from where Markham Valley starts. .360. So we have to walk our way to the viewpoint, a slow climb that takes around 15 to 20 minutes. Trekking up. Huh? Maybe. Or may not be. By the time we started trekking, the fog got denser and denser. Slowly, the view started disappearing. We could barely see what was ahead. So, this is the final viewpoint, but the fog had completely covered it. Still, no complaints. The road getting here was so beautiful, we didn't feel like we were standing. It was an amazing experience, just being out here in the rain riding through it all. It really was amazing. So now we are going to Kinshi because that's the only place we'll find food, and we are already late for lunch and we don't have a place to stay because we have not booked it yet. Let's see where we'll stay. चाहे जितनी भी देर हो जाए भाई, ऐसा व्यू देखकर कौन नहीं रुकेगा. Just look at this view, guys. we have reached Vinci and we stopped at the first place, first hotel that we saw because we are very hungry and we are very late.
We will have something here because we didn't have our lunch. This is salad. I'm having a chicken meatball. This is chicken. We're having lunch at about 5 p.m. because we didn't find any.
We stopped at a lot of homestays on the way, but all of them were full. Finally, we found this guest house, Merry Guest House in Mawkriah, and we'll be spending the night here.
Here, on the back side. Quite cozy. We have this bed. That's the bathroom. My friend is already inside.
Let's see how it tastes. They look delicious, by the way.
Very nice. Very tasty. 10 on 10. I'll give them.
Everything they cooked here are delicious. Now we are very tired and we'll have this beautiful boiled chicken and rice and go to sleep. We're going to one more place tomorrow before heading home. Till then, good night everyone. See you tomorrow. Good morning everyone. It's day 2 of our journey. This is the view from our guest house. It's been raining heavily since yesterday, but that's not stopping us. We're all set to explore our next destination. Okay, we are having roti and sabji for a breakfast. I always keep it light and I don't like fried things in the morning. It keeps the stomach good. Thanks. So we are heading to a place that many of you might recognize. I won't say much, just sit back, soak in the view and wait till you see where we're going. The Vedic story isn't about explaining everything, it's about feeling the moment. Started by me and my fiancée Sangeeta, it's a way of bringing you along the journey. This is the Vedic story, signing off.